Hi guys and welcome back to Nifty X50. So the clear view was given to you. I was expecting that market will touch this level 15,006 level today. Future it did, it test the range and fall from there. Market was very dull today. I mean it opened on a range and slightly range bound within 30 points on the entire days. So this range you can see, this was the market today. And traded between 14,920, 14,950, 14,960. Now you see the buying was still good. The mid cap are rising, the middle are still on the rocket mode. Even the bank nifty, I was giving the target to you 33,180. It went to 33,200, 33,300 twice, and again it came back. And after that it went up. Also in a straight trend, very difficult to people to make money today unless and until you are at the right strike and at the money position. So now we'll discuss what will happen tomorrow. So basically I'm saying there is no very big positive data in the market, and I am not seeing even big gap up because there is a lot of difficult option data I am seeing for tomorrow market, and this week only 2 trading session is there. Neither am seeing a very big gap down also because I said 2 trading session is there in the market, and more like some possibilities we can discuss what are the possibilities is there in the market. Nifty has nearly formed a doji candle. This candle you can see, doji candle, again a spinning candle and a shorter one here, and to see how it will behave tomorrow. 14,870 level, which I have discussed, 14,870 level was a very good support for the market today, but it didn't test this level. So this range will be very important for tomorrow market, mean 14,870 level, this level I am talking about. If it is coming down below 14,870, then what will happen? So if market is coming below 14,870 and sustaining below that, it can test the level of 14,730 level, 14,731 level, this level I am talking about, and followed by the 14,960 level. At least possible to test once. I am not saying it will test, but level is very more important. So data can change within a minute, within a seconds, at any time. So possible. Don't get afraid. Let's discuss. Don't overthink too much. This is a possibilities, and the market don't run based on the possibilities. Market run based on the data. So let's discuss other possibilities, means based on the data what possible way is there. But on the upper side, if you'll see on the upper side, if market is giving gap up, so this one will act as a resistance. 15,006 level will act as a resistance. So yesterday I have said that 15,007.84 level is there on the spot. So this level will act as a resistance. I am not much bullish. Once it will cross, market will cross 15,006, 15,007 level, then it can go long till 15,120, 15,117 level. And this is the strong zone. From there you can sell the Nifty, the Nifty you can sell from this level at least for the 100 points in the future. So guaranteed profit you can get like 7,500 from this level. If at this place I'm talking about, from this place the way market has formed a candle, you can take a pause position on a both way. Like you can take either support that at this place market is there, you can take a call option or 15,000 also and put option on 14,900 also. So end of the week, end of expiry, market will give you the guaranteed profit. So this small candle are good for to take both position, either into C side or either into the P side for the expiry months. So on the market side, still a little resistance at the level of 15,005. This will act as a resistance, and so from this level what we have to do, I am not saying that tomorrow this level will come. I am not giving a data about 15,120 also by seeing the option data. This is the one point where I am saying definitely selling will come. But if it is not falling tomorrow, mean if it is not breaking the level of 14,870 or not coming downside, not opening downside, in that case it will not break the level of 14,900 in this expiry. So market will be over and above that. So you have to get caution about this. So the four level which I am giving to you, upside level for tomorrow market 15, if market is opening gap up 15,007 followed by the 15,120 level will be the upside. In the downside level, if market is breaking this level 14,817, then 14,736, 14,691 will be the target for this week. Now come to the bank nifty. You can see again a very small, I didn't draw any line for that, but I'm talking about the bank nifty. You can see this is the market today. So of course almost we can consider 100-point movement was there. You can see again a very small candle, a very good volatile candle it has formed. From here you can take a position in a both side. I said earlier also in the nifty, both side means you can say the position in the call side, or you can say you can take the position in the put trade also. I am seeing the both bank nifty and nifty slightly bearish data for tomorrow. Once I will come to the option data and explain you why I am seeing that tomorrow market can be little bit down. But let's see on the bank nifty part, any closing above 13,100 level. So this is not a exact level, I am talking about this level 33,100. This can start acting as a support, but still it can move within a range to 30,000, 33,100, 33,200 to 33,600. And again a fall can come in a bank nifty from the level of 33,300 and can test the range of 32,760, 32,780, 32,800 level, which I have discussed earlier. Which I am expecting is to test once. It should test once means the level of 32,760, 32,780, 32,800 level, at least within this week or next week, or before the next bull runs comes in the bank nifty. If it is open at a big gap up, on this note, the next resistance in the bank nifty will be 33,600 level, which I have said before. I am not giving a bull signal till the time bank nifty will cross 33,600 zone. So once the bank nifty will cross 33,600, then after that 2,000 point target is there in the upside in the bank nifty. So you can go for the monthly, you can take monthly expiry call option. In the bank nifty you can take the call option 34,000, 34,500, 35,000 call option you can take, and definitely once the market will cross the level of 33,600, from there my maximum target I am giving with a 2,000 point you can achieve in this month with the bank nifty. So why I am bearish about the market tomorrow? So let's see the option data. So this is not the exact data which I can show you. So the market has closed somewhere between 14,900 14,950. So this is the 12th May expiry data, which can what you can expect in the nifty. See why I'm expecting a slightly bearish in the market. If you can see good put writing in this zone has been done today, which indicates that people are not expecting expiry below 15,000. For this you can assume the market is in a bull market, but a small catch is there. So this data is not actual data, this data is not updated. I have seen this data in IIFL securities. There you can see the real-time data. So I have seen that. I am simply like talking about that. But at 15,000 put, so with that 15,000, so this 15,000 put, net OI is 3 times greater than the 15,000 call. You can, I think you can see in this data also, because I have seen in IIFL data, so that I am talking about that. 15,000 put having net OI open interest is 3 times greater than the 15,000 CE. Now 15,000 is a very strong resistance for the market. Even you see on the highest side very strong OI into the call side. So that is why I am not seeing a good gap up in the market. If in case market is opening gap up, it will not sustain, it will be a selling point from that level. So if market is opening gap up, then sell immediately at the morning only. And I'm not expecting that the market should open below 14,900. So people, so whoever had doing aggressive writing on 14,900, they will run away from that level. So Bank Nifty option data, if I'll see about the Bank Nifty option data, Bank Nifty has closed somewhere like 33,100. Very good put writing added in this zone, 32,800 followed by 32,500. So like call side is a very less quantity added today, and I am expecting Bank Nifty will open somewhere below 33,000 tomorrow. So this is all about the market for tomorrow. You can note all those levels and you can trade according to that. So guys, join my Telegram channel, link is there in the descriptions. Thank you so much guys. Hope you guys will remember the level and hope you guys will have a good trading day tomorrow, and then you just do trading according to the level. You don't do any trading like if you will not get the level, you don't trade, but to trade according to the levels. Okay, thank you guys, thank you so much. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you again.